All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted bottom teeth grill. Now, this one here is the two caps with the front bar. It has a diamond dust finish there with the yellow border. All right, now this is custom fitted, made with real gold, guys. 14K gold. You got your stamp on the back here, 14K. This is real solid gold, guys. Available on our website, blingcartel.com. You could do this for the top or the bottom teeth or the full top and bottom set. That's up to you. It's designed to fit perfectly, made by hand. Check it out, guys. blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.